trip to LA, New York, Vegas, to Africa. There's another way to go.
Hi everyone, this is your friend Kathy and welcome to the first edition of Bahay Mo. Yan, thank you po kay Papa D dahil siya po ang nag-create ng Bahay Mo years ago na po siya. Ngayon, ayan, ito na po, binubuhay ko po ang Bahay Mo. And this time po, isi-share ko po sa inyo yung mga experience and knowledges na acquire ko during and up to today in terms ng mga home financing. At medyo po nag-i-expand na po yung brainwaves natin ngayon, diba? So, ito na nga po yun. So, the reason that I'm doing this is because not only that it's fun to share what I know or what I've learned being a home finance or being a mortgage specialist. Hindi lang po ito yung business, hindi lang po yung business, yung business lang, pera-pera lang. This is more intimate and more raw and real talk based on my experiences in the home financing dito po sa Canada. Okay, when I say Canada, lahat po ng provinces ng Canada are qualified to do mortgage pre-approval. Of course, authorized po yan ng ating mga bosses. So, based po sa aking over 15 years experience dito sa industry na to, I have learned so many things. Sorry, from the realtors, from the lenders, from my mentors. Marami po ako naging mentors na mga very professional, and to this day, I admire them. I admire them and I thank them for all these things na natutunan ko sa kanila. Lahat po sila magagaling na mentors, and I hope that by doing this series ng Bahay Mo, I'll be able to share naman my knowledge in terms of yung mga natutunan ko sa kanila. Kasi po I'm a type of person that I will pick up things that I will, yung kumbaga, ma-inspire ako sa mga business colleague na natutunan ko. Marami po sila. As in po, marami po akong natutunan sa mga realtors, mortgage agent, lawyers, everyone that gets involved pagka po bumibili ng bahay. Okay? I'm not saying that they are all good, okay? But they're all professionals and they are all amazing in their own field. Hindi po sila pwede magkapare-pareho dahil kung pare-pareho sila, di wala nang kikita. So again guys, my name is Kathy and watch out for the following episode that I will be doing. Right now po, we are in the process and I will be representing both the realtor side and the mortgage specialist side. So watch out po for more details.